First time out after my ECL reconstruction. Feels so good.
Born as a fisherman, I live on the shore. I'm the soldier's bikini horse. I love it, I hate it, it's a joke. So good, marvelous, gone like a ball. Girls from abroad, they love the place to play. They join me in holidays, naked and strange. Wave, smiles, get them to get laid. Then they fall in love and leave to what they it's late, it's April, spring, so it's cool. When you see sunrise, I behave like a fool. Around you, son, all the hot days to walk around naked with a really red face. And I tell you, I'm coming, which means I really got to go. All my skin is feeling of spirit from the sun. I beat it to its flames like I'm laughing at a gun. I'm used to getting burned to wear scars from the sun, to get bitten by the soul, criticized by a nun. Lately, no one's shooting me too much, I was scared. I come, I had no just all exist in my will. I felt only little line would have some trouble with my bliss, but I didn't feel